Today I'm going to talk about the laziest ways that you can use to make money online, with the last one allowing you to make up to $500 an hour. So let's get straight into the video, starting off with the first lazy method, which is proofreading. Now what makes this lazy is that you're going to use AI to do the proofreading for you. All you got to do is go on this website here called guru.com. Guru.com is like a Fiverr or Upwork but for proofreading, and essentially you'll create a gig, and every time someone buys that gig you'll use AI to fulfill that service. Let me show you how. The best AI tool to use to proofread is ChatGPT. Let's say they give you a huge amount of text, something along the lines of this. We'll then go on to ChatGPT and ask it to proofread the following text. All you gotta do is then paste the text and ChatGPT will proofread it all for you, and it will create a revised version for you. Then all you gotta do is send that back to your client. It's literally that easy. You can get paid anywhere from $15 to around $100 an hour, which when you think about it is really good for simply just copying and pasting. So the next lazy method we're going to talk about is eBay drop servicing. Now this one is extremely lazy because honestly you don't even have to do anything. Now this is very similar to drop shipping, however it's slightly different. Let me show you how it works. All you would do is go onto eBay and search for a product. Now let's say we search for Jordan 1s, and let's have a look at this listing. You can see the images aren't great. Now they are selling this for £65.99. Now what you can do is you can literally create a whole new listing based off everything on this listing, and you can list it for a higher markup price. For example, if we were to do something like this, we'd list it for something like £90. What you then do is add better images that you can find online. You then polish up the listing so it looks better and has a better description, and then once someone buys your listing, you can then buy the other listing and then input the customer's details on it. Then the other seller will ship and deliver directly to the customer, which means you do not need to do anything else. Extremely lazy and extremely easy to do. So let's move on to the next lazy method, which is transcribing. Now transcribing is literally getting text from an audio, and you're going to do this using AI, so there is hardly any effort required by you. So what you will do is sign up to a website called Rev. You can also use Upwork or Fiverr. So when you get a gig, you go onto this website called RhythmX, and all you do is submit the audio file onto here, and it will transcribe that audio into a text file for you, and then you send that text file directly to your client. Now RhythmX gives you 15 minutes for free. If you want more time, you need to buy hours. Now it's roughly $5 per hour, which is an extremely small amount to how much you will be earning, because with this you can earn anywhere between $25 to around $120 an hour. Also guys, if you want more and more ways to make money online, including more lazy ways, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I upload every week and you do not want to miss them. Another lazy way to make money online is investing. Now the investing method I'm going to be talking about is a platform called Royaltiz. Royaltiz is the first platform that allows you to invest in your favorite talent careers. You buy something called a ROI. Now what's a ROI? A ROI is like a special ticket. It gives you the right to receive money every month, and the amount depends on how well the talent you've invested in is doing. You get the money back based on how successful your talent becomes. It connects the talent's success with the success of the investors, benefiting both. It's a cool way for people who invest to be a part of a talent's success and make money from it. Now you've got talent from all over different sports, including football, boxing/MMA, tennis and rugby. You have stars like Bruno Fernandes, Kimpembe and so much more. Let's look at David Neres, whose stock is increasing. If you had bought his stock in April last year and sold him just under a year later, you would have 10 times your money. So make sure you sign up to Royaltiz using my link below in the description, because once you do and you deposit $20 and you buy your first talent, you'll earn a reward up to $10,600. The next lazy method to make money online is creating websites. Okay, now you'll say you don't know how to create websites. That's perfectly fine, because you'll be using AI to create the website for you. That's what makes this method truly lazy, because you'll be feeding prompts to AI, who is then going to use these prompts and turn them into a fully fledged website. You're going to do this by signing up to this free website called 10web.io. Once you sign up, it's going to ask you questions like what your business is about, what types of products you sell, what type of website will it be, etc, etc. And based on these answers, the AI is going to generate a fully fledged website in literally only a matter of minutes. And if any of you are website designers or have created websites for people, you'll know that you can charge anywhere between $500 to around $10,000 for a website. Make sure to sign up to Upwork or Fiverr so you can get some clients and build websites for them using AI and earn some life-changing money. Now the next lazy way to make money online is editing a podcast. These Upwork freelancers are charging anywhere from $60 an hour to $275 an hour just to edit a podcast. Now, if you want to make money like this, but in the laziest ways, there's two ways you can do this. One we can do is drop servicing, which is similar to what I mentioned for the first lazy method. What you can do is create your own listing and charge something like $120 an hour, which is between these two prices. And when someone buys your gig, you can then go to the person who charges $60 an hour and pocket the difference. That's one lazy way of doing it. Another lazy way is going onto this website called Clean Voice AI. You can use Clean Voice AI, which will literally edit a podcast for you. All you got to do is drag the file onto Clean Voice AI and it will completely edit the podcast for you. Then you go back to your client and send him the edited podcast. Extremely simple and easy, especially with the help of AI. The final lazy method to make money online is short form affiliate. Making money through short form content is one of the easiest ways to make money online. The way that you're going to do this is by using affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it essentially means advertising another product or service through your own affiliate link, and if someone buys that product or service through your link, you'll earn a cut. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and laziest ways to make money online. Now, previously on YouTube Shorts, you could add a link in your description. However, now YouTube have removed all links from the Shorts description. This was due to a lot of scams being promoted, and since with a short, it pretty much goes viral without any filter, YouTube weren't able to monitor or control the types of links that were put in the description. So to combat this, you can literally put the link in your YouTube bio, and you'll make YouTube Shorts using this website called InVideo AI. Now, this AI tool will allow you to create YouTube Shorts with a few descriptive prompts. So for example, let's say I type in something like top 5 restaurants in London. I would then select workflow, which would be YouTube Shorts. I'll then use any gender, any voice, and after that click on generate a video. And this is the video it made.
Hello, bon appetit. Welcome to a culinary journey through the heart of London. First stop, Sketch, a unique dining experience with art-filled interiors and Michelin-starred cuisine. Moving on, the Ledbury in Notting Hill, boasting 2 Michelin stars and a menu that's a celebration of British produce. Next up, Dabus, a minimalist spot for innovative dining. Their seasonal dishes are a work of art. Now let's venture into Dishoom. Inspired by the Irani cafes of Bombay, it's a feast for the senses. Finally, we arrive at Duck and Waffle, with its mouth-watering dishes and panoramic views of the city. It's open 24 hours, so no matter when the craving hits, they've got you covered. There you have it, our top 5 London restaurants. A gastronomic adventure awaits, so why wait? Get dining London style.
And as you can see, it's extremely well made, bar a few errors which can be fixed by putting more prompts in the bottom over here. Now all you would do is post these videos onto YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram Reels, and then you just plug in your affiliate links in your bio. And when you're making the video, make sure you base it around the product or service that you are promoting. And with the help of InVideo AI, you can literally do this unlimited times with just a click of a button, and it will create multiple shorts for you in a matter of minutes. And using this, you could also grow your YouTube channel. And again, all it takes is a matter of ideas, and AI will literally create the video for you. You can then start earning some serious money. With affiliate marketing, you can make well over $500 an hour. So those were the 6 laziest ways to make money online. However, if you do want another 4 lazy ways, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.